Hey, you guys want to know something that even my own parents never knew about me? When I was a 16-year-old kid, I made over $5,000 on YouTube without even showing my face. And that's not even including the paid endorsements that I received from big companies like Filmora, probably heard of them. And look, if you're anything like I was, you're probably renting your time for $8 an hour at McDonald's. Maybe you're in school, maybe you're working 9 to 5. You're looking for a side hustle that actually works. And again, if you're someone who doesn't want to show their face, your options are even more limited. Let me tell you a story. When I was grade 9, I started making gaming videos on YouTube. And yeah, I didn't show my face because at the end of the day, I was afraid of my reputation, what people would say at school. I had this underlying paranoia that somebody from school would somehow find my video. You know, I was stuck at 200 subscribers and I pretty much had no views anyway. I quickly realized that I needed a new approach, and that's when I came up with this strategy that I'm going to share with you guys in this video. But hey, before we get into it, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. You could do it now as a bit of a deposit. Unsubscribe if this video is not helpful. But without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm assuming you're either uploading videos currently or you're planning on doing, and if you are, you're probably not getting views because that's why you're here, which tells me you have some sort of skill set, you have some sort of passion or interest, okay? So let me break it down. To make money on YouTube, well, you need views, okay? But that's not all. You need 1,000 subscribers to start with to be eligible for monetization, as well as 4,000 watch hours. And then you need views to even make it worthwhile. Once you hit those numbers, you can apply for YouTube's partnership program and you can get monetized and get all that jazz. Now, there are 3 main ways that people are gonna find your videos on YouTube. One is the homepage where you get recommended. 2 is on the side where, you can see on the side of my video right now that there are suggested videos. And lastly, which we will be focusing on, is through the search engine. People actually search for a video or something and your video pops up. Now again, you're new or you're not getting that many views right now, you don't have subscribers, so YouTube is probably not recommending your video. And that's why we're gonna focus on SEO and creating valuable content that actually attracts viewers. By taking advantage of your skill set, you're actually going to attract people through the search bar. And when you do so, you're going to be the top video and everybody's going to click your video. Now, don't hear what I'm not saying. I'm not saying you need to create tutorials for your whole YouTube career to make money. That's boring. What I'm actually saying is use tutorials as the doorway to your YouTube channel, which you can then convert them into loyal subscribers, because once they're on the video, you have the power. That's your chance to actually get them onto your YouTube channel, get them onto the content that you like creating. And they'll naturally want to check it out anyway because you're attracting them through your niche. So step 1 is to actually identify your niche and skill set. For me, I was into gaming and I was good at video editing, so my niche was clear. If you're not sure how to start, here's how you figure it out. Number 1, what are you good at? Number 2, what are you passionate about? Number 3, what do you know a lot about? Even if you don't have a lot of experience, just share what you know and learn along the way. Step number 2, combine your niche with a tutorial. Why? Because there are 6 billion people on the internet that want to learn how to do something, and guaranteed they're going to search how to do it on YouTube. So go brainstorm some ideas on things you could teach with. For example, in cooking, it might be, 5-minute cookbook for beginners. I'm just rattling things off. AI, it could be how to run an AI business, how to create AI marketing messages. Whatever tools you have, whatever resources you have, use it. Step number 3, once you've got your video idea, now go and research some other videos similar to yours on YouTube. Find out what's working, find out what people are searching for. For example, my title was How to Make a Fortnite Montage Using Premiere Pro 2024. Once I came up with my title, I popped it into the search bar. I saw that the last person uploaded his video like a year ago, so when I uploaded my video, I was first because I was the newest. For example, if you're trying to give photography tips, you're not going to call it photography tips. There's going to be a million videos. You might actually go how to edit photos in Lightroom 2024, or even better, how to edit wedding photos in Lightroom 2024. For cooking, people really value time. So how to meal prep in 1 hour, how to meal prep certain diet in 1 hour. There's tons of ideas, you just got to be creative with it. Now, step number 4, you want to optimize your title or your SEO, which is search engine optimization. SEO actually ensures people can actually find your video when searching for it, and it makes sure you don't waste your time when you create that video. So I use tools like TubeBuddy for tags, and I use Google Trends for titles. So I'll show you right now exactly how I use these tools to create a title that was first on the rankings. Okay, so first you want to pop your title into Google Trends, which is trends.google.com. Links in the description if you need to get there. This is where we're going to figure out if your title is actually a good title. Okay, so I'm just going to pop in how to tie a tie. Okay, enter. Once we've got that, we want to narrow down the filter to YouTube. And then we want to go worldwide. As you can see, we can look at the past day's results. I want the year's results. Yeah, you can have a look at all the different ones and see how that looks. But yeah, as we can see, it's got a lot of search volume. You know, if I was just going to put some random stuff in there, you can see I've popped in some gibberish. You know, if your title's gibberish, it's going to come up with nothing. TubeBuddy is another tool that I use to actually refine my keywords, which means that I can actually rank higher. YouTube will boost my videos as well. So yeah, go ahead and install TubeBuddy, add it to your browser, get the extension. And yeah, once you've got TubeBuddy, you can chuck in keywords like how to tie a tie, tie a tie, tying a tie 2024. And it will rank each different keyword and it will give it a little scale. It will say excellent, very excellent, good, poor. It will tell you how good that keyword is, and then you can use that when uploading your video and adding the tags to the section. Now this brings me to step 5, which majority of people actually fail to do, which is actually creating the tutorial. Now, I believe that you guys can actually do this and you guys will achieve results. You guys will make dollars because you have all the skills, you have the information. Now, all you need to do is put in the work. And if I can do it at 16, I know you can too. And again, if you don't want to show your face, I would highly recommend having good audio, even if you record off your phone separate to the screen recording software or the camera you're using. And also, since you're gonna have all these people watching your video, make sure you redirect them to your other videos as well. Step number 6 is to actually monetize your channel. Once you've uploaded a few tutorials, your videos gain traction, you can get paid. Now, obviously YouTube will pay you per view because they'll be running ads on your videos. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll have a link down below on how to do that. It's not my video, but again, tutorials are just so easy to recommend. Once your videos gain traction, you'll actually be able to get monetized, which just means where YouTube pays you per view. Brands will also hit you up to advertise their brands and they'll pay you a lump sum of money or a commission on whoever buys the product from your video. Having subscribers and views is also leverage to hit other companies up. So at the end of the day, if you want something, you can use your YouTube channel to get it from other businesses. The third simple way you can also make money is a bit more long-term, but is to actually have your own product you sell. That way you're not wasting your time selling other people's products and you can actually have 100% of the profits. Now, at the end of the day, this is only gonna work if you're consistent. So keep making videos, keep getting better, keep looking for new ideas, improve your skill set, because who wouldn't want to make YouTube videos instead of working at McDonald's and frying burgers? But yeah, this was pretty much my strategy on how I actually blew up my first video, how I actually made $5,000 off of AdSense. Plus brand deals. Now, if you're wondering what this channel is all about, I'll be sharing my entrepreneurial journeys and adventures. But yeah, this channel is basically just documenting my journey as I learn and grow, as well as my travel adventures and whatnot. So yeah, if you would like to stay, continue. But for now, I'm going to end it and I'll see you next time. Take care.